What is iVo SupaFoam? iVo SupaFoam is a specially engineered type of pad used in thousands of cleaning applications. It's available in two different variants. We have the SupaFoam Standard and the SupaFoam Plus. SupaFoam Standard is used on pretty much any type of machine for extremely fast cleaning of most surfaces, and also can be used with our iVo hand tools. iVo SupaFoam Plus is available for use on circular rotary machines such as scrubber dryers and single disc rotary machines, and it lasts longer than the SupaFoam Standard. This is because it's engineered from a mix of different SupaFoam varieties, giving extended life, approximately 200% the life of SupaFoam Standard. Slightly more expensive, but well worth the investment for the extra life that's given.